A Python class is like a blueprint for creating objects, similar to how a blueprint for a house defines its structure and features, but each house built from that blueprint can have its own specific characteristics. In Algorand Python, you can define a smart contract by defining a Python class. So deploying the smart contract written in Algorand Python is similar to instantiating a Python class. So each of the deployed smart contracts are its own instance that is separate and different from other smart contracts. You can also extend other smart contracts through inheritance, or define standalone functions and reference them. You can also do this across different Python packages through pip, a Python package manager. So in the future, there will be a Python library containing commonly used Algorand smart contracts and functions that could be reused by other smart contract projects. To create an Algorand Python module, you create a file that ends in .py, just like standard Python. In an Algorand Python module, you can include 0, 1, or many smart contracts, logic signatures, subroutines, and compile time constant code and value.